Sa kalagitnaan ng clarificatory questions ni Senator Judge Robin Hood Padilla kay House Lead Prosecutor at Batangas Representative Jervy Luistro sa ikasyam na araw ng impeachment trial kay Vice President Sara Duterte, may kahilingan nito sa prosekusyon ang wag maging one-sided. Ang pahayag ng Senator Judge, umani ng mga reaksyon sa gitna ng mismong paglilitis.
Alam niyo po, napakaganda po ng inyong sagot. Sana hindi one-sided ang ating persecution. Kasi, alam niyo, pag kayo ang pagpabor sa inyo, alam niyo, bawal po ang ginagawa.
Kindly maintain
Presiding
order
officer,
within the
bawal
court.
po ang ginagawa nitong nasa harap natin, nagkukomento.
Kindly maintain order in the court. The Sergeant at Arms, by authority of the Senate President, is directed to kindly maintain
Hindi po
order in the
sila
court.
allowed mag-ingay. Korte po ito.
Giit naman ni House Lead Prosecutor Luistro, talaga namang one-sided ang prosekusyon sa isinasagawang impeachment trial.
Kaya merong prosecution is to establish the case. Kaya may defense is to defend the innocence of the respondent, no? So, it is very much anticipated that the prosecution is biased towards presenting the case. Presenting the evidence, no? Siguro mas nakakapagtaka pag naging neutral ang prosecution. At lalong nakakapagtaka kung i-defend namin yung respondent.
Humingi naman ng paumanhin ng isa sa Council ng Prosecutors ng House of Representatives na si Attorney Lorna Capunan. Aminado itong isa siya sa mga hindi napigilang mag-react nang marinig ang pahayag ni Senator Judge Padilla na hindi sana one-sided ang prosekusyon.
There was no intent to disrespect him. No? Kaya lang, syempre, pag lawyer ka at nasa litigation ka, i-emote ka mag-i-emote ka. No? Alam naman nila yung, hindi naman emote na drama, pero it is an instinctive reaction. There was really no intent to disrespect him when he said, lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa front row, nagtinginan kaming ganyan. Yung pala kami yun, nasa front row. So, Senator Robin, sabi mo, kaibigan tayo, forgive na lang. Hindi na kami uulit dyan. Pero, the prosecution really is for the prosecution. And the defense is for the defense.
Kasabay nito, binigyang diin naman ng lead prosecutor ang senator judges ang dapat maging neutral.
At the end of the day, I am hopeful na political neutrality ang mananaig sapagkat napakaliwanag niyan sa Senate rules on impeachment and they were the ones who drafted and approved that Senate rules, no? So, bago pa tayo, dapat sila yung pinaka-conscious about the mandate of political neutrality.
Samantala, maaari umanong mapagkamali ang kawalang galang ang kahilingan ng tanggapan ni Vice President Duterte sa Senado, partikular na ang i-shoulder o sagutin ang food and beverages expenses ng defense team sa gitna ng impeachment trial.
Ito ay impeachment court, no? It can also be misconstrued. Of course, with due courtesy to the Senate, kasi sila ang dapat sumagot niyan. Pero as a bystander, kumbaga, kung titingnan mo, pwede kasi siyang ma-misinterpret na disrespect sa korte, and in this case, the Senate.
Batay sa ulat, nais umanong ipasagot sa Senado ng Office of the Vice President ang mga gastusin ng defense team sa food, beverage, at catering services na accredited ng kanilang tanggapan. Rosalie Coz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.